Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Mr. Goodall here. I hope you've been enjoying the sunshine and enjoying your day. In this maths lesson, we are going to be looking at subtraction problems to do with capacity. So our LI for this lesson is to solve subtraction problems with capacity. Please pause the video here whilst you copy this down. So let's go through the meaning of capacity again. So capacity is the amount of liquid an object can hold without overflowing. So, for example, a 4-litre jug can hold only 4 litres, otherwise if you pour more than 4 litres into a jug with a 4-litre capacity, it will overflow. So let's start our questions. Our first one is as follows. If Derek the dinosaur drinks 2 litres of water out of this trough here, how many litres are left? So let's count how many litres are in this trough first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 litres. So if Derek the dinosaur drinks 2, let's start our number sentence. So starting with 4 litres minus, which is how many litres are in the trough, minus 2 litres, which is how many litres Derek the dinosaur drinks, equals, so 4 minus 2, so let's count that back, 4, 3, 2, equals 2 litres. So 2 litres are left. So have a go at the other questions. Please pause the video here whilst you do so, and then we'll go through them with you shortly afterwards. So please pause the video here. So here, so if Tajay drinks 3 litres, how many are left? So let's count the amount of litres in this jug to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 litres. So our number sentence would go 6 litres minus 3 litres, which is how many litres Tajay drinks, equals 3 litres. So 3 litres are left. So Percy the pig, who is very fond of Marks and Spencer's sweets. If Percy the pig drinks 1 litre of water from this trough, how many are left? So let's count how many litres are in this trough. 1, 2. And then 2 litres minus 1 litre equals 1 litre. So 1 litre is left. So, if Mr. Goodall drinks 1 litre of coffee, if he doesn't, how is he going to wake himself up? How many litres are left? So, let's count how many litres. 1 litre. And so, 1 litre minus 1 litre equals 0 litres. So 0 litres are left out of this cup of coffee because he drank it all. So if you got any of these right, very, very well done indeed. I look forward to seeing the answers when you submit your work. So now we're going to be moving on to questions that deal with millilitres. So like yesterday, we're going to be dealing with hundreds of millilitres. And we're going to be returning to the topic of mocktails, which, you know, there's nothing I'd rather be drinking in this hot weather right now. So here's our next set of questions. So let's kick off with our first one. If Daniel poured himself 250 ml of strawberry lemonade, so millilitres, how much would be left in the jug? So let's count how many millilitres. So remember, these dashes represent 100 millilitres. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 800 millilitres. So we're now going to do 800 minus 250. So 800 millilitres, 250 millilitres. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, can't do that. So we're going to have to take 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So there will be 550 millilitres left in the jug. So Using this method of working it out, so measuring and then doing a subtraction based on how many millilitres are in the jug and how many millilitres each person drinks. Do a column subtraction. That should get you your answer, and then put your answer here. So please pause this video here whilst you have a go at the questions. Right, so Raymond has poured himself 200 millilitres of watermelon juice. How much would be left? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 millilitres. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So 600 minus 200. So remember to do the jug measurement minus how much has been drunk. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. So there would be 400 millilitres left. If Mahika poured herself 350 millilitres, how much would be left? So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 of millilitres. So 700 millilitres, sorry, please forgive my grammar. So 700 minus 350. So 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 5, can't do that, so take 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. So there'll be 350 millilitres. So Mahika has actually drunken half the jug. So 700, 350 millilitres is half of 700 millilitres. So if Zayn poured himself 400 millilitres of cola, which I strictly wouldn't recommend doing, how much would be left? So there's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. 800 millilitres. So 800 minus 400. 8 minus 4 is 4. So there'll be 400 millilitres left. So if you got any of these questions right, very well done to you indeed. If you didn't and you struggled, please send your questions along with your work to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Once again, if you have any questions, please send them with your work to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk. I look forward to seeing you for tomorrow's lesson. Until then, enjoy the sunshine and have a great day.